Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another episode of What's Blooming with Abby and Emily, where we talk all things weddings, trends, inspiration, really anything you need to plan your big day. So today's topics are going to be our Bloom Styler quiz that got a little refresh. We're also going to talk about holiday events and the collections you can rent for bringing your holiday event to life. And then we're going to talk about our partnership with Mostest, because if you don't know, you need to know about that partnership. It's really great for the logistics of your SBBlooms order. And then lastly, we're going to talk about preview packs because there's some news there. So yeah, I guess we can
get started.
Yeah, and if you want to fast forward through the segments, we have timestamps below in the description.
Yeah.
But stay for all of them because we want to hang out with you. So the Bloom Styler quiz. Our team has been working really hard to update the Bloom Styler quiz and make it more interactive and fun for you guys. So if you want to take our Bloom Styler quiz, which I encourage everyone to do because it's a lot of fun and just a little game. It's like taking, did you take those BuzzFeed quizzes when you were little? Yeah, so this is like the idea we got is from inspired by the BuzzFeed quizzes. So all you're gonna do is DM the SBBlooms account at SBBlooms, and you're gonna DM us quiz. And once you send it, you should get a little message, and we're gonna go through the quiz together and share our results because this is fun.
Quiz.
And I already had my wedding, so I'm gonna do like the opposite of what I did for my wedding.
Okay. I am not even close to having a wedding. So I'm gonna do like what I would want at the moment.
Okay. All right, what season? So I got married in fall. I think I'm gonna do spring.
I'm gonna do spring. I love a spring.
Oh, this should be interesting. We might get
the same
similar results.
Okay.
Start quiz. Which emoji set best represents your wedding vibe?
I'm gonna go sparkle white, green, champagne.
I'm going black, cityscape, diamond, champagne.
Ooh.
Cheers.
Okay. Mine's giving timeless.
Oh, mine's giving modern chic.
Okay.
Next.
Question.
What is your vibe in decor form?
Wood barrels, candles. I love a draping moment. Really.
Yeah, it's really trending right now.
I love the draping.
I think I'm gonna go with simple centerpieces.
Okay. Mood is setting itself, enchanted and romantic.
I got minimal and classic.
Yeah, that's very you. Okay, next question.
Your bestie would describe you as ... I think grounded. I'm always easy to talk to. That's common feedback from my friends.
I don't know. Maybe wild card?
Yeah, I feel like you are a wild card.
Okay.
Okay.
No surprises here. The group chat would 100% agree.
I think mine would agree.
Yeah. Okay, next.
If your flowers could star on the big screen, which movie would they cameo in?
Ooh.
I'm gonna go 27 Dresses just because I love that movie.
Me too, I think so.
But I do love Sweet Home Alabama.
I've never watched that fully.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, 27 Dresses.
Me too.
Okay. Okay.
It's all,
what palette do you got?
All soft blushes, lilacs, and pretty pastels.
Me too. We're gonna get the same result.
Okay. Next question.
If your love had a theme song, what would it be? If your love had a theme song, I think I might go Elvis. Can't Help Falling in Love.
Maybe At Last, Etta James.
All right, 3, 2, 1, results.
Wait, don't say yet. Classic and timeless.
Oh, I got iconic romance. Audrey, Kinsley, and Kate. I thought there was a fourth one.
Okay. Mine's Audrey, Shelby, and Jane. Okay.
Cute.
I probably, if I had to choose between all of these, I'd probably choose Audrey or Shelby. But if I had like another choice, I'd probably choose Zaya.
Yeah, I think I would do Audrey out of mine.
Okay, so that's so fun.
So that is our Bloom Styler quiz. If you want to take it yourself, just again DM us quiz, DM SBBlooms quiz.
Okay, so we're gonna go to our Instagram page. So it'll be right here, and you're gonna DM us quiz.
That's it. And then the whole quiz will start and you'll get to tap in and do all the fun things and share your results with us. Leave a comment and let us know what result you got.
Okay. Let's go to the next segment.
Event rental.
Abby and I are excited about this. We love this stuff.
Like
event and like placing and the inspo behind it and just like really diving into the theme.
Yeah. So if you don't know, you can rent our arrangements for events that are not weddings.
Yeah.
So think dinner parties,
baby showers, bridal showers,
anything. We've been seeing these trending themes on social and we just really love them. And we're gonna talk about the themes and tell you what collection we would rent if we wanted to throw a party with this theme.
Yes.
Okay, the first theme that we're gonna talk about is the Ralph Lauren holiday.
Yeah. So Ralph Lauren holiday we have been seeing all over, very on trend right now. It's kind of going back to the classic nostalgic Christmas that everyone used to do in the 2000s, I feel like. So this is very rich, warm, and the mood board is right here. Yes. And
the collection we would pair with this mood board is the Shelby collection because her color palette is neutral green and white. But her greenery is very rich, dark green with a brown undertone to it. So I think it fits the Ralph Lauren theme perfectly. Yeah. The second theme that we're loving for holiday events are winter whites.
Yes, so this is the mood board, more of a monochromatic vibe, opposite to what the Ralph Lauren theme was before. But we can see this with very silver flock trees, maybe a little tinsels, like sparkles.
Yeah, snowy.
Yeah, love that.
Cozy vibes. The collection that we would pair this with may be an obvious choice, but it's our Audrey collection because of her all white florals. And you can just really lean into the white vibes of the whole theme. If you want a pop of color, maybe like the linens or the napkins or tying like cute little blue bows to the candlesticks or something, like touches of blue, like light blue. But yeah, that is the collection.
Yeah, I love that. So pretty.
The third theme for our holiday events is warm and rustic.
Yes, so this is the mood board. It can be used for the whole holiday season, really, from Thanksgiving to Christmas. And it's very warm, golds, maybe even a little bit of burgundy with rust. Like you can mix the two. So it's very versatile.
The collection we would pair with this theme is the Nina collection. So Nina recently got a refresh. We took the Pampas out of her collection and added greenery, and it's so good. We think you all have been loving her because our production team has been making her nonstop. The extra greenery that we added to her brings in more of those purpley, warm burgundy colors that Emily was talking about. So this is perfect for the holiday season. Our last theme for our holiday event is merry and bright.
Here is the mood board. Bright, fun, lots of tinsel and colors. This is very multicolor.
Yeah, it's almost like vintagey Christmas with all the colors.
Right.
And the collection we would pair with this, it may shock you, we are going to go with the Gemma collection. I think the colors of Gemma are just really fun. The pink goes with a bunch of different colors that we would use in the color palette. So like that brighter blue, teal color, a lime green, the pinks, a bright orange.
Like the chartreuse.
If you are planning a holiday event, keep these themes in mind and rent your florals from some of our blooms.
Yeah.
We would love to be a part of your holiday event.
And send us photos. We want to see all the pictures.
Yes. Next, we're going to talk about our partnership with Mostest. If you guys don't know, Mostest is a third-party planning logistic service. They do all types of events, from weddings to business events to birthday parties. Any type of event. Hire a Mostest planner to do the setup, breakdown services. They're just a full service planning company online. They're all over the US, and we partnered with them because a common problem amongst our insiders was that you do not want to have to set up for your wedding the morning of or break down the night of. You should be removed from that. You should just enjoy yourself and enjoy your day and not have to stress about that piece of SBBlooms. So we partnered with Mostest to offer a white glove service for our customers where you can hire a planner who is trained specifically on our SBBlooms process, so they know how to receive the boxes, set up everything, they know how to work with our product, they know how to pack it back up at the end of the night and return it back to us. It has been fantastic.
If you want to book your Mostest service for your SBBlooms order, the link will be in the description. You can even just check it out. You don't have to fully commit right away. Just go check out their website and see what all they have to offer. There's a bunch of different options, so you don't have to do all setup and breakdown. You can just do setup and you can just do breakdown, or vice versa. And so there's plenty options for everyone.
Yes, so be sure to check out SBBlooms by Mostest Services and take one thing off your plate. Okay, so next we're going to talk about preview packs.
So a preview pack, if you don't already know, is basically a sample box of 2 products. You can either get a bridesmaid bouquet or a centerpiece, or 2 bridesmaid bouquets or 2 centerpieces of any of our collections. And it is a flat $50 fee that will pay for the shipping to go to you and to come back. The best part about it is that you'll get $20 in rewards to put towards your wedding order. So this is a really good option if you have dress swatches, if you're going with your bridesmaids to try on your dress. A lot of different options you could order a preview pack for, and you can order multiple. So you don't have to just order one. Yeah, each preview pack you order, you'll get $20 in rewards, so you can just keep getting those reward points. But we wanted to talk about it during this time because some of you may be doing some wedding planning during the holiday season. Thanksgiving's coming up, and we know a lot of you are with your families and maybe your bridesmaids are getting together, and so it's just a really great time to order a preview pack so you can see your collection that you have your eye on in real life and really get a good feel for the quality and the color palette. If you've been following us for a while, you know that we have a Black Friday sale. So a preview pack is just top of the checklist to make sure that you're prepared for the Black Friday sale. So in preparation, order your preview pack. Make sure you sign up for our emails and texts because you'll get exclusive access and exclusive offers that are not publicly known for Black Friday, so be sure to sign up there. And then lastly, don't forget to build your cart so that once the sale is live, it's just an easy checkout. You're done, you're ready. Be sure to order your preview pack so you know going into the sale what collection you want to go with. If you want to order a preview pack, we'll link it below, but it's somethingborrowblooms.com/samples, and all of the popular collections are back. So for a while, Kinsley, Zaya, Audrey and Kate all of their products were not available for preview because we just got out of our peak wedding season. We were prioritizing those for wedding orders, but they're back. So if you had your eye on any of those collections, now is the time to preview them. I think that's it.
Yeah, that is all the segments we had for you today. Again, if you like this series of what's blooming with Abby and Emily, let us know in the comments. We were doing just the how-to for a while, but we just feel like there's more that we can talk about and inspire you guys with. So let us know how you're feeling about this.
Yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.